Morning, everyone. Joe here, also known as Simple Man, and it's Saturday morning. And I thought I'd talk to you this morning about visors, how you clean them, and whether a Transitions visor is worth the money. Let's start with how you clean them. I've been using just plain old water, and it hasn't really been coming very clean. So most recently I tried using the Memphis Shades windshield cleaner, which I think it said it was also for visors on there, and it seemed to do a fair job. But I still have some, it's still not as clear as I had hoped, and it's possible that I have some micro scratches in the visor from paper towels. Really, I shouldn't, I should use microfiber cloth all the time. So it's possible that that's the issue, but it's just not as clear as I'd like it to be. So I'm thinking about replacing the visor. With that comes the question of, is a Transitions visor, which I'd be a lot more careful with for sure, is a Transitions visor worth the money? So they're about $200, at least for the Shoei. And it's like buying a pair of glasses. And the thing is, I have Transitions lenses on my glasses. So will it make any difference? I know in the car, my Transitions lenses do not work as well as sunglasses. Something about the way being behind the windshield. And I'm wondering if the same principle applies being behind a visor. Blocks just a little bit of UV light so that the Transitions lenses don't work as well. Don't get me wrong, they work. They definitely darken, but they don't get as dark as I might like. But I did like riding with the smoke visor on my other helmet. So it's worth considering, but it's a pretty penny to drop just for a visor. So I'm looking for your input. Leave a comment below if you have an opinion on the visors, one way or the other, on the Transitions, or on how to clean them. I have another question. If you were to ride in a 3/4 helmet or a half helmet, I know you're not protecting your face. But what do you wear for glasses if you have a prescription? Just your prescription glasses? That seems kind of dangerous. But I wonder, for those of you who do wear a 3/4 or any open face helmet, what you do to protect your eyes. I know that they require, some sort of eye protection. I don't see a lot of people wearing goggles. Is there some specific sunglasses that you're wearing or glasses that you're wearing? What do you do if you've got a prescription? You get some prescription, shatterproof prescription lenses. I think Doodle on her motorcycle said that's what she went and got. Just said shatterproof glasses, but I assume that they're prescription. based on what she was saying. I need to go back and check her video again, because I think she wears a close face helmet all the time, so I don't know why she'd need shatterproof glasses. Unless she said something like, on occasion she needs to open it. Which might have been the case. Alright, well, we're coming up on the end of our ride. So if you like coming on these rides with me, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload new content. With that, I'm out, and stay safe and keep it simple.